So I was looking for one of the last Holden V8s. The wife actually talked me into it. She said, you've been watching these things on YouTube long enough, so maybe you better go and have a look at a couple. So I'd had a look around for a while. I found this one down in the Southern Highlands. Older chap had bought it. He was a Ford man, but he said the same thing. He wanted to have one of the last Holden V8s built. And when I had a look at it and the condition he kept it in, I said, that's the one for me. So when he bought it in 2016, took it straight to Walkinshaw, had the 375 pack put on it. So all that work was already done. The interior is beautiful, everything about it. He'd always looked after it. So the wife and I jumped on the train, went down Southern Highlands, picked it up, brought it home.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, no worries.